course, he's heard us cough over the years, and he's picked up on that. Now, we've been working on some animal sound effects. So, his impersonation of a pig. Bit rude, but we've also added a dog. Don't think he's scaring anybody with that, though. Now, Eddie, your contribution to all of this is typically just a great big old kiss for the audience. Winning the crowd over with that one. Now, they're obviously talented. They're also talented musically, love whistling, singing, and dancing. So, Fernando, where are your dance moves at today? Just a slight little head pop there. Well, let's get him whistling for you. Keep in mind he's